Yeah, don't make fun of me. We are heading towards Fukuoka area. We're going to go to a Hello Kitty show or something like that. Because I am such a great husband, I'm taking my wife there in this heat. Yeah, follow along. Let's see what happens. Well, we're setting up here at Michi-no-Eki Munakata. Seems very spacious. Apparently they're known for a lot of fresh seafood. We're near the ocean here in Kyushu, northern Kyushu, about an hour from Fukuoka, which is where we're heading to tomorrow. And my wife and I were joking as we're over there. We are going to go see Hello Kitty for my birthday. And yeah, see, such nice husband that for my birthday we're gonna go see Hello Kitty just for her. I got some stickers, check those out. We also got some t-shirts. 9174, basically it translates to no regrets in Japanese. But yeah, let's go ahead and get set up for tonight. Here's a little air conditioning contraption because this is the end of July, and actually we have record heat highs here in Japan, all the way through Japan. And about 2 weeks from now we're heading to Hokkaido, and Hokkaido is just as hot, so hopefully it gets a little bit better by then. This is the very first time that I'll be testing the full capability of the Charger 1 Bluetti connected to my 2000 plus Jackery battery bank, and hopefully that by tomorrow night we're back to 100%. So actually not a bad spot to spend the night. A huge Michi-no-Eki. There's a whole lot of people going into the market right now, but let's see, there's restrooms over there, and then there's some over here, but these are closed at night. Also right here next to this really cool RV, there is this RV park place. It's only one spot, but basically it's a spot where you can get electricity. If you look up this RV park to service is where you can plug into power overnight, and it's a great place if you need to charge up your batteries. But so far, between our solar and our Charger 1 Bluetti charging system that I put on our battery bank, has been working great so far. The bakery has a whole bunch of good looking stuff. Yeah, we're slowly making up towards Fukuoka, the Fukuoka Art Museum for the Hello Kitty, whatever display. But look at this beautiful beach. Really nice. Different resorts here and restaurants. Really nice hotels. Yeah, definitely a place to spend the night. Over there, I believe, is where Fukuoka's at. There's actually quite a few people here. The Fukuoka Art Museum. Well, that was about it. Unfortunately, we couldn't take any video. But we're gonna walk around here Fukuoka a little bit and then bounce around and find somewhere to sleep. Hello Kitty crepes. Well, you should get some. We're just gonna sit here and then enjoy the crepes. Hot, but nice breeze. Hello Kitty crepes and Ohori Park, and we're going to walk around here in just a few minutes. Look at that. Ooh, that looks yummy. Trying to encourage my wife to stay out of that hot sun over there and walk through this beautiful forest. She's worried about bugs falling and snakes falling. Such a city girl. That's the sound of summer in Japan. It's your people that's making all this noise. So Ohori is actually translates to big moat. The old Fukuoka are actually just ruins of the castle, or I think it's back that way. Yeah, so this is actually the moat of the castle. We're gonna walk across this way. Wow, that's a beauty. That duck over there with a butt up in the air. Both of them. There must be some good food there. It's a good food there, huh? I don't mean to interrupt your eating, but that's pretty funny. Really cool.
Seems like a dancing girl.
Like a dancing girl?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So sexy. Oh, 英語前ですね.
You used to be an English teacher.
Oh, of course this am I. Where, here in Fukuoka?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I taught at junior high school.
Oh.
My son was from 13 to 15.
Oh.
And he is a son of my student.
Oh. Son of the student, so do you speak English?
Where are you?
Iwakuni,
Oh.
Yamaguchi. Have a great day. Nice talking to you. Bye. You don't want some sashimi? There's sashimi over there. Making a quick stop at the Michi-no-Eki to get dinner. Lots of seafood and different kind of food here. Unagi, I want to get some unagi right there. I saw some unagi over there, but I see this unagi right here too. Yeah. Shikuzen Minami-no-Sato is a really cool place. Lots of good parking. And then the cool part is that this restroom right here is open 24/7. It's kind of like a little visitor center. Really nice place to spend the night here. Oh, emergency shelter.
It changed to the house.
Oh, this will close or something? That's pretty cool.
And then
These were.
that one's toilet.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool here. So these areas, many times they turn them into like emergency shelters. And so, yeah, there's toilets right there. Obviously not available right now, but yeah, see, they put little tents over them. That's pretty cool. Stuff that Japan thinks about that. In the States, we definitely don't do. At least I don't think so. And right now we're kind of heading towards Mount Aso area. Get up a little bit higher elevation, a little bit cooler. And as you go higher and higher, it becomes more and more pretty. Yeah, there's fish in there, yeah. Sorry, I don't have nothing for you. And it's pretty cool. This is the first place I've seen that they actually have like a garden here in the middle of the Michi-no-Eki, huh? Yeah. They got eggplants and cucumbers and all kinds of different trees. Have no idea where we're gonna stay, but probably somewhere around Mount Aso. Hopefully we can find a spot where you can probably get the view. There's no rain or anything like that, so it should be a nice clear sky. So yeah, we're gonna keep on making our way up that way. So we are headed still towards Mount Aso. It's probably about an hour from here. We, again, absolutely no idea where we're going to spend the night. Maybe even find an onsen, I don't know, but it's cooling off. But look at this beautiful double rainbow. Can you see that? There's one over here right there. But wow, look at that. Ooh, and this beautiful breeze. Wow, it is really, really nice. And we're hoping to find a spot that we can have a view of Mount Aso in the evening and in the morning. But look at that. Isn't that so nice? My wife and I were just talking a minute ago how much we like Kyushu and the Mount Aso in particular. If you guys are tuned in, if you've been here before, let me know. What are your favorite spots? Because we still have so many places to come and visit. So we decided we're going to stay at Michi-no-Eki Aso. And it's still about another 10 minutes from here, but we are at this beautiful viewpoint, Aso Kuju National Park. We have stopped here several times, but down that way is Aso City, absolutely gorgeous. And I think right now we won't be able to see Mount Aso because of the rain. I was saying earlier that it's nice and clear, but actually it feels really nice right now. But it's about like another 10 minutes from here, so we're gonna head on down in town and get some rest. This is what it's all about, being able to travel in the campervan throughout Japan. You know, like I said several times already, go with the flow, absolutely no plan whatsoever. It's always very safe, clean restrooms, always plenty of stuff to eat at a convenience store or Michi-no-Eki's or very reasonable restaurants. So but yeah, let's go ahead and keep on going. this Michi-no-Eki last night. Very nice because it's right in the middle, or somewhere in the middle of Aso City, but right down the road right here, not very far at all, maybe a 1-minute walk, is a nice onsen. While we look at this sign, I kind of look for these because it kind of gives you the rules of whether if you can stay here or not. This one you can. They just ask you not to put up a tent and stuff like that. But really nice information center, enclosed restrooms, very clean. But over here across the street, this is where the main parking lot is at. As you can see, a whole lot of people setting up. Unfortunately, you see like this person over here running his engine. That's been running all night, even though it says no idling. But these truckers, many times they have their refrigerated produce on the back, but I don't think this guy does. As you can see, all kinds of different people staying here. I would say most likely 90% of the folks here spent the night. As you can see, in nice RVs like this. Some people in just regular cars like that. They just kind of set up and it's perfectly okay. And actually last night I was curious about this. I saw a regular car parked here and charging, and I wanted to come and look, but I didn't want to be too creepy last night. Oh, okay, so this right here looks like they have a 100 volt, because here in Japan is 100 volt outlet. So somehow here you can plug in. Oh, okay, for EV charge for like scooters and stuff like that, I guess. Still not sure how it works. Oh, okay, there's the outlet right there. Interesting. If you drive around with a portable battery and you do not have solar and capability to charge it up like we do now. Yesterday by the time we're leaving in the morning, we had like 10%, and by the time we're done driving around the evening, we're back to 100%. So great success on that. If you're interested in the video, please check it out. And also right here, that's the train station over there. And then right across, there's also a really nice Marriott over there in the background. I don't think we'll be able to see Mount Aso, but I believe it's over there. But Aso City, again, I've mentioned it before, it's a really beautiful town. Every time we drive through here, I think this is our third time, we're like, wow, this is really pretty. And the elevation makes it a whole lot cooler, and of course a little colder at night. Again, there's the Michi-no-Eki. Make it back to the car and just call this a wrap up. All right, folks, again, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, comment, like, share, that'd be great. All right, have a great day. Bye. Whole lot of motorcycle activity out here. This is really cool. Roadside station, Kyushu. Wow, look at that. That's so cool. Hi.